Welcome everyone, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. So today I'm just putting together a couple pieces of gifts, wrapping them up. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. And I am going to put, I don't know if you guys saw my haul from the Dollar Tree, and I got a couple of these beautiful cups, and they have a lid that screws. It has a nice seal. It's cool with the straw because it has that little stopper right there so it doesn't fall out. And so I'm going to just put a gift together. So you could put this cup, you could add candies to this, wrap this up, give this as a gift. But this is going to be for my daughter. She has a German Shepherd. And I went into At Homes the other day and I saw this little puppy, and she just moved away to Richmond, Virginia, and she got her first job there. So I just want to make this a special, and she's not coming home for Christmas, but I'm going to go and spend a couple days with her before Christmas. So I'm just going to add this to, this is just a little side gift. This is just not the main gift. So I'm just going to add it to a baggie with the pup like this. And I am not going to add anything to the cup. So I am going to put that little pup inside this plastic bag. And this plastic bag, I can't remember how I got a couple plastic bag off of Amazon. And I want to say it's 12 by, I can't remember the size of the bag. But anyways, we're going to add that there, and then we're going to add the cup between his paws. A tight fit, but that tight fit is nice. See if he's gonna be better with his tail under his butt. So what I'm going to do is just add a little tie. So these bags are 12 by 18. They came with the little ties, and these ties are gold. And I am going to go ahead and use one of the ties. Just tie that up. Then I am going to create a bow. I think I'm going to use this green. I'm going to use a little smaller bow here with a little glimmer to it. See how that size is. And then I'm just going to add some. Just going to cut a ducktail in that end. And then to this end. Next, what I want to do is add one of these. I got these from Dollar General, guys, and that was $1, so much cheaper than, you get 8 of these wooden ornaments, much cheaper than the Dollar Tree when it comes to certain things. So we're gonna add that, and with these you could write to and from if you choose, but this is just a little ornament that she could display later on her tree or wherever she would like. These little strings that they gave you could have been a little longer. These little ties that they give could have been just a bit longer. And that is my little gift for her. And then you know what I forgot? Then I spoke about these little cleaners. You could get a set of 12, I think, on Amazon for $3 and change. So it's nice so you could clean your straws. If you're using straws, guys, you definitely need one of these longer straw cleaners. And I could just stick that right in here like that. And hopefully she'll notice it there, right? And that is my little one gift that I got set and ready to go. And next, what I want to put together, all right, my husband said he wanted something for one of his co-workers. Very nice lady and crafty. So what I'm going to do is so what I decided to do is gift her some of my homemade cards so she would appreciate it. Not everyone appreciate homemade stuff. But anyway, so I'm going to put like 2 Christmas cards, 2 like friendship cards, and 2 thank you cards. I think it's like about 10 in here. And then thinking of you card, and then 2 like fun fold cards. So some of these here could be for guys too as well. And then I included 10 of the envelopes. Envelopes, and then I'm going to include some gift tags. And so I already had some Christmas gift tags made up, so I included some gift tags. But you know, so what I did is I showed on my haul the other day on some gift boxes, like cookie boxes. I think they have at the Dollar Tree. They had rectangle sizes and the square sizes, and they had like a clear window you could see through. So I went and I got some of the rectangle ones here, and these comes 2 in a box, and they also come with a circle spot, a little sticker that you could close the lid on to as well. So 2 in a pack for $1.25. So what I went ahead is just added some tissue paper in here because of the depth. So these here could be seen a little bit closer to the window. And then I'm just gonna stack them in here. And then you could add some candies here on the side if you would like. So, but I'm just gonna add those tags right here on the side. And so if you want, you could add some shredded paper along here to give it a different look. So you could get creative. So that's going to be that. And so let's see if we could get the glare out. So that's how the box is going to look. I was hoping for a less busy box, but this was like the only one that they had in the rectangle size. So next what I'm going to do is just add some ribbon to this. And my ribbon here is all tangled, but I do love this ribbon. I got this from Target when I was throwing a baby shower for my daughter-in-law. My grandchild was born in December, so that's around the time that we had gotten this Wonder Shop at Target, $6. So they had several different, I think maybe 3 or 4 types, size ribbons there, but ribbon included in that. So I'm just gonna see how we're gonna put this here. So we're gonna bring this around here and come up here on this side, and bring this over here and come up on this side. And then we may have to put some tape because the box is a shiny finish and this ribbon is silky. So we want it nice and snug. So because this box is so busy, I just want to use a plain ribbon. Okay, so next what we're going to do is add a tag to that. And I think this may be too much and too big and would block it. Put a little slant in that end right there. Don't know if you guys could see it, that. But we'll add a little tag there. All right, so let's see, we have this tag that says just for you, and I don't want to just make it just so I don't block the cardinal. I think that's good. So anything else would be too much. Just need something plain. And I am going to go ahead and get some twine. Okay, and then we'll add it there to the bow. If you guys like what you see here today, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest video. Then we'll just tie this here, and then if you want, you could put a glue dot right underneath it so it doesn't flap and hide my little cardinal. Happy holidays, everyone. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.